So in this sublesson, we're going to run CFN-NAG from the CLI, from the command line. So first thing you'll do, of course, is review, make sure that your development environment is set up before going through these steps. And so we're going to run through this CFN-NAG example. And so we have a repository. Access to Git and some of the other resources that you don't of that repository. And so these are the CFN-NAG examples. And this is just going to Ruby Gems, and it's downloading the CFN-NAG installation. And then I'm going to cd into the examples, and then I'm going to run CFN-NAG scan. So this a folder, and this is referring to a file. So let's take a look at that file. This is that folder, CFN-NAG, and this is the file that we're running it against. And so this is a CloudFormation template, as you can see. I have a description, resources, and this is the key part here, is I have a logical name EBS volume. I'm defining a EBS volume that I can attach. What CFN-NAG does as a part of its currently 45 built-in rules is it looks for that, finds out that we're going to take that command, we're going to run it from the is the logical name, in this case, EBS volume. It's on line number 7. So line number 7. It refers to the not necessarily so we have an EBS volume that should have had server-side encryption enabled. So what we'll do, and another template, and so we can look at, this is the one with encryption turned on, right? Encrypted true. So we're going to run that one. And we can see that there's just one warning. There are no failures associated with this. So it passed that one. Now, key management service, key. This is still encrypted. It's using server-side encryption on it. But we can also provide, and actually, it doesn't return a failure to it. Put it into an action, and then we can get notified that we have that particular failure. So that's what we're going to do next. In the next sublesson is then incorporate this in to a pipeline and get notified on a failure.